Most students were not expecting to have to work as hard as they did today. So I'm really excited to see their eagerness and their drive to start just jumping right in, getting things done. My name is Melissa Romero, and I serve as a school counselor here at Holy Cross. I believe this is the third year that I've been rolling out the summer college workshops for the seniors. We dive right into learning about college applications, the entire process from start to finish, really to help them get ahead. The whole purpose is really getting them in a mindset of academics as being vital to their success, not just here at Holy Cross, but really for the success moving on into the next chapter. Moving forward, making sure that they are really submitting every assignment, doing the very best work, because ultimately that's going to get them the college acceptances and then most importantly, the college scholarships as well. We've really allowed the students to, again, get ahead and receive those college acceptances sooner. We've had students take advantage of the workshops, do the applications early, and get those admission decisions and scholarships by as early as September, which is really nice to know. Peace of mind, they're in, they have options, and then just building on that. Ultimately, it's just us supporting and giving guidance and advice as much as we can to help them make an informed decision. The culture here at Holy Cross has really supported that. Faculty and staff are very supportive of the students' dreams and their aspirations with whatever that might look like, which gives a student confidence in continuing to pursue their dreams, whether it's 2-year, 4-year, or military or trade. What really motivates me is that the attendance is large. To see them with the drive, the ambition, the eagerness, it really gets me excited. We have our next one on July the 9th, specifically about college essays. On the 16th is going to be about college scholarships. Realistically, it can be a little tedious. So if there's any seniors who have not yet signed up, contact me through phone, email, and we'll get you signed up to attend.